আসসালামু আলাইকুম রাহমাতুল্লাহ। সম্মানিত দর্শক, আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি আরো একটি নতুন লেসনে। আজ আমাদের সাথে আছে রিফাতকে আমরা বেসিক স্পোকেন ইংলিশ সেন্টেন্স জিজ্ঞাসা করব। রিফাত, আর ইউ রেডি?
Yes.
ওকে। ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেন, হু ইজ দ্য eldest member in your family?
My grandfather is the eldest member in my family.
Good. Second, who is the youngest member in your family?
My sister is the youngest member in my family.
Excellent performance. Who helps you in your homework?
My mother helps me in my homework.
Nice. Whom do you like most in your family?
I like my mother most.
Good. How do you greet your parents at night?
I greet my parents with good night.
Excellent. What type of family do you have?
I have large family.
Good. What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is ABC School.
Fine. Where is your school situated?
My school is situated in Sonargaon.
Excellent. What do you do in your school?
I study in my school.
Good. When does your school begin?
It begins at 9 a.m.
Excellent performance. Thank you so much. See you next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.